Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by enabling Bluetooth and making your device discoverable. Open the app you want to send and grant storage and sharing permissions. Once done, locate the app's share or export option. Many launchers and package managers offer Share APK or Send App. Tap that, then choose Bluetooth from the list. Make sure the receiving device is visible and unlocked. Pair quickly if required. This gets you from setup straight into the actual transfer step. Now you initiate the transfer. After selecting Bluetooth, pick the paired or visible recipient from the list and confirm any PIN codes on both devices. You may be asked to accept an incoming file on the receiver. Do that promptly. Monitor the progress indicator. It shows % complete and transfer speed, and avoid moving devices or closing the sending app. If you have multiple files, queue them in order. Once the first file finishes, the next will begin automatically. Finish by locating the received APK on the target device and installing it. You may need to enable installation from unknown sources in Settings, then tap the APK and follow prompts. Once installed, test the app briefly to confirm integrity. If the transfer stops or fails, try toggling Bluetooth, restarting both devices, and ensuring no battery saving mode blocked the transfer. As a fallback, use Wi-Fi Direct or USB cable for large files or persistent errors. That usually resolves issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.